Hola mis amigas, hello and happy day, feliz dia. Excuse my dog, but he's just having a blast. But today is Monday and I am here to show you guys that I am going to be cleaning my entire kitchen because ahorita les voy a enseñar es un desastre. So I did end up going to Costco. My stuff is back there, so I'll also put those things away and put some other things away, wash the dishes, put a lot of things away basically. That's basically what the things that I have to do today. And my main goal for this video is cleaning up my entire kitchen because les voy a enseñar que es un desastre. You guys can tell back there. So yeah, so underneath my sink, I have to organize the stuff and put them right back because our garbage disposal, I think that's what it's called, got broken. And then luckily my husband yesterday, he fixed it up for us, so it's all fixed. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. And if you're new here, I hope you guys stay here for long. And I'm gonna try my best, mis amigas, to keep you guys posted and make more videos for you guys and stuff like that, because I'm gonna have more time. So yeah, like with that being said, mis amigas, thank you guys so much, and let's get started with this video because it's keeping me anxious and my head is hurting and I'm just like overwhelmed with so many things that I have to do. So let me turn you guys over and let's look at the hot mess. Okay, mis amigas, so I end up cleaning up the dishes and the countertops and the kitchen. So now over here, I'm gonna share with you guys what I got from Costco. And if you guys hear some like, kind of like splashing and stuff like that, that's my dishwasher doing its thing. So moving over here, I did end up going to Costco, and I didn't get a lot of things because we did it quite a lot, but it was just some things that, you know, I had to just go take a run to Costco. So one of the things that I ended up getting was cheese. I got 2 cheese, and then I got these sponges to clean the dishes, tortillas, and I did end up getting this. This is like a super fruit and veggie vitamin blend. It's garden berry. So this has like a 64 superfoods, so it's various foods like raspberry, berries, and like vegetables and stuff like that. So I thought it would be great for my family and myself, so it's really great. So just so we can just drink it like in the morning or whatever, so it's good for all of us, and it was on sale, so that's why I got it. And I also ended up getting these, I cannot pronounce it, Chobani, whatever, yogurts. So they look like this. These were on sale, and it's a pack of 8 bottles. And let's see, so they have this one, mixed berry vanilla, and then this one, strawberry cream. I can already tell like I'm gonna love all of them because they're just that great, and they're really healthy, so that's why I got them. And per bottle there's 20 grams of protein, and I was like, that's something that I do need, that I need daily, myself and my daughter, when she goes to school. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put this stuff away. Y así quedó, mis amigas, todo limpiecito, except the dishes. The dishes toman tiempo para secarse, so ahí los voy a dejar para you guys can see. Está súper limpio. Y una de las cosas que les quiero enseñar es estas cositas. So, my family and I plantamos tomatillos. So that's why you guys were like, you saw this on my table. And aquí están the rest. They're kind of drying up or whatever. So I can peel them and then just put them back here and freeze them up. And then that way they're ready for our salsa. So, yep, that's it, mis amigas. So again, thank you guys so much for coming back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And keep your eyes out for more future videos. And give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. Comment. Subscribe. And share it to your loved ones. And I will see you guys next time on my other video. Bye, mis amigas, and enjoy.